my god, Mamma Mia! Wow. Adventures on escalators. $1. So much chocolate. Oh my gosh.
Cruising down the street. Hello. It's full. Cruising in.
You can't see it in your face. So stressful. Close the door behind you, people. Oh my god, look, you can see the butt of an aeroplane. My phone! Look at that glare. Look at that glare on my phone. Blah, 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 blah. Look at my thumb. Look at that thumb. Hello, Daniel.
Ladies and gentlemen, those passengers who did not have, they are available in the arrivals hall in the terminal building just before you reach immigration. There are some cards there with pens so you can quickly fill one out before you go through. So our apologies to those passengers who did not receive one. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. Sunset. Oh my god. Daniel. Oh my god. That is so pretty. I've been on this plane for like 5.5 hours. What is this world? Oh my god. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yay. Fringe check. Yeah, whatever. I can give myself a censored bowl and I don't even. This is the coolest thing I have ever seen.
So I'm not looking outside.
Look at that wing. Wow. Cool goals. You ready?
That's not the airport. That's not
He's having fun. No, it's not, Ollie. That's just the airport. Look, it's going to be so long, but basically we're on our way down. You can see the lights. So many lights.
This is the tunnel.
So you can't see my face, but whatever. The noises are scary. I think we're going down. We're going down right now, but I'm scared. I don't know why. Speaking of, right, so on our way down. Look how gorgeous. You can't exactly see it. It's so pretty. Alright, so back. Coming in. Oh, there's the ground. And
We've landed.
Oh my god. You ready? You right, Daniel? Yay! Why are we clapping? We're alive!
We're alive!
Oh my god. So I guess this video will be uploaded. I'm alive and I'm on the ground. I missed the ground. The ground was probably My closest friend. We're still going so fast. We need to slow down. We do, don't we? I'm so dumb. This is an aeroplane. What is this world? Okay, now the water has just hit me like a Right, we're hit the gas. Take a picture, sorry. She looks so happy about her melon.
That's an orange.
It's a melon.
That's an orange.
It's a thing.
Certainly not that shop.
No. Bread. Come to our shop. We sell food. Ah. Wow. Don't disturb us. No. Do not disturb. I'm in this book, look. I'm in here. I'm in this book. I shrank, look. Oh, good books, good books, good books, good books, good books. Recording. Changed location. Instead of being at the beach now, we are down at the pool, as you can tell. Hi, Dave. So we're now down here, and it's incredibly sunny, and I'm boiling, and there's men in speedos, and it's really disturbing. And I'm texting Josh Dunn, which is actually great. I will talk to you guys in a bit. This vlog is gonna be so long. Getting there.
Now we don't have to worry about
smashed again. You in your seat, Phil? I can't see what I'm seeing. Oh, strap in the way. Lovely camp. We might crash into each other again. Huh? Sorry? Camera. Picture.
I'm going to say it now. On the day it was my dad's birthday, so we told the guys who worked there, and he decided to dress my dad up and basically do this little celebration thing for him. It kind of works. I'll just show you what happened. Ah, he's trying to... Oh my god, it's this mini man!
Oh wow.
Oh dear. Hello.
You can hear it. When you hear like the